How to verify your identity on Cash App? So you have to follow these steps. So first of all, open Cash App. Tap on the Cash App icon on your phone to open it. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the personal option to access your account information. Find and tap the verify identity option to begin the verification process. Type in your first and last name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID. Type in your date of birth accurately and tap next to continue. Enter the last four digits of your social security number to confirm your identity. Type in your full home address including street, city, state and zip code and tap next. Take a clear photo of your government issue ID such as driver license or passport and upload it. Follow the on-screen instruction to take a selfie so Cash App can match it with your ID photo. Review all your details and tap submit to send your verification request to Cash App. Cash App will review your information and send you a confirmation notification once your identity is verified. Thank you for watching.